Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix the broken sudoers file in CentOS RHEL system using single user mode. Before moving to the topic, we can see there are three methods are available to boot the system with the single user mode, and we can see this below is the listed method 1, method 2, method 3. Using method 1 to boot the system with the single user mode, we need to add this entry in the kernel line, then press the Ctrl X, the system will boot up with the single user. To boot the system with the single user mode using method 2, we need to replace the arggp quite with init/bin/bash or init equal to bin/s parameter in the kernel line. Using method 3, we need to replace the RO with this one rw space init equal to sysroot bin/bash in the kernel. That press the Ctrl X, the system will boot up with the single user. In my case, I am choosing the method 2, so I will replace the arggp quite with init equal to bin/bash. Before moving to the troubleshoot, let's produce the issue. In my case, I have the CentOS system which is having the sudo's broken entry. Let me switch the sudo and see the error message. Sudo-i, we can see line number 122 having the error. So I'm going to show you how to fix this error. Right click and restart your system. Restart it and open the console. You can press E for edit, then come down, come at the end of the Linux line, go to at the end of the section. Yeah, you can replace the arggp quite with the init equal to bin/bash. So I'm doing the same, init equal to /bin/bash. Then press Ctrl X key. The system will now reboot with single user mode. To mount the system with the root file system with the RW mode, we have to execute this command. So currently the system is mounted with the read only mode. So now I'm going to remove the file system with RW mode. So this is the command I'm executing, mount-o remove rw/root. Now you can check it's mounted with RW option. Now we can fix sudo's file wrong entry. Let me show you. va/etc sudo's file. Go to end of the section. Remove that word welcome which I typed to produce the issue. So I have removed that line. Then save it. Once you have done, so you need to execute this command to enable the SELinux relabeling for the reboot. So now go to your console, type +.auto reboot. Once it's done, you have to reboot your system. xec/sbin init space 6 for reboot your system. Post to reboot of your system, now you can try to access using the console and see the result. So I have the username Ansible user. I'm entering the password. Yeah, so I'm able to log in. Let me switch into root. Yes, I am able to successfully break the sudo now. Yeah, this is the best method. We can fix our broken sudo's file using single user mode. Thank you. Thanks for watching.